If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Keeping things together is what we've done for nearly a century. The Aero TR550 is a heavy-duty, durable glue gun great for both DIY and pro applications. Features include a self-limiting heat chamber, extended trigger, removable precision nozzle, integrated dual-purpose drip tray, and handy retractable stand. Double glue stick capacity enables use of 10-inch glue sticks or 2 shorter glue sticks. An integrated safety fuse protects both user and tool. Ideal for upholstery, crafts, general repair, and much more. Uses Aero all-purpose slow set and super slow set glue sticks. Aero, how it all comes together. Visit aerofastener.com.